Novelty Detector by thatDot is the groundbreaking graph AI technology for finding, ranking, and understanding the unknown unknowns in critical datasets. It is based on years of DARPA-funded research and proven effective at detecting new and emerging cyber threats and providing critical situational awareness in real time. The team at thatDot is made up of seasoned researchers, engineers, and architects who are passionate about helping the DoD solve the hard problems of real-time data analysis. Our mission? Turn high-volume data into high-value data. That's why thatDot created Novelty Detector, a cutting-edge graph AI system built to detect and rank unknown unknowns using behavior data in real time and with no false positives. Novelty Detector technology is used by companies in cybersecurity, defense, aviation, financial services, and other industries. For decades, anomaly detection has been the only tool available to help us understand critical data, but it's a slow, offline batch process. Preventing cyber attacks and gaining real-time situational awareness requires understanding behavioral data from sensors, soldiers, and systems at the speed of relevance. Traditional anomaly detection requires numeric input, but data about the behavior of systems and humans is mostly categorical in nature, not numeric. Categorical data consists of values like email and IP addresses, file paths, as well as device and process names, just to name a few. When traditional anomaly detection tries to process categorical data, it suffers the curse of dimensionality, causing a flood of false positives and useless results. Quickly finding the important unknown patterns in categorical data requires new streaming graph technologies and cutting-edge graph AI techniques. Traditional anomaly detection systems get slower as the datasets get larger. Novelty Detector stays lightning fast regardless of how much data it needs to handle. Novelty Detector is ideally suited to meet the challenges currently faced by technology groups in the Department of Defense. These include increasing safety of operating equipment. Novelty Detector can alert operators, aircraft, ships, and vehicles in complex and rapidly changing situations to hidden dangers and emerging problems. Improving situational awareness and decision-making. Novelty Detector can highlight the most significant elements in any alert, ranking them so that teams understand exactly where they should focus. Assuring cybersecurity. Finding, explaining, and stopping advanced persistent threats before they can steal private data or disrupt critical operations. By detecting and explaining insider threats fast enough to prevent critical damage, and by finding stolen credentials so they can be immediately revoked. Streamlining business processes. Novelty Detector ranks alerts for Security Operations Center analysts so they always see the most important events first and know with confidence when everything really is okay. But most of all, what sets Novelty Detector apart is that it is designed to automatically detect, rank, and explain unknown unknowns immediately. Novelty Detector uses a self-training online learning model to measure how unusual or truly novel each event is. It does this by processing streaming data in real time to rank each event in context by how unusual that event is. Novelty Detector knows the difference between new and truly novel. Novelty Detector can compute the probability, conditional probability, Shannon information, and relative information used to rank all observation. Novelty Detector runs on-premise, in the cloud, and embedded in low-resource standalone systems. It can even work with sensitive data that remains hashed or encrypted. Novelty Detector is designed to connect to your existing data sources, streaming or static. Each result from Novelty Detector includes an explanation providing a deep contextual understanding of why an event is novel, of why it matters, and why you should care. Unlike other AI tools which use heuristics to produce approximate answers, Novelty Detector is mathematically rigorous and fundamentally information theoretic. The end product is a real-time measure of how novel every single data observation is. There are no false positives, and each result is ranked in a total order, showing exactly where to focus, and with explanations making it immediately actionable for any analyst, no matter their skill or education level. Novelty Detector has been proven in multiple applications outside and inside the DoD. It is based on original research funded by DARPA, runs on standard commercial off-the-shelf equipment, and is the only tool of its kind. Technically mature and widely configurable, Novelty Detector is used in a variety of enterprise organizations and relied upon in many real-world deployment scenarios. It's time to stop drowning in data while wondering what's going on. Novelty Detector makes it possible to find, rank, and explain every single unknown unknown, all at the speed of relevance. Anxiety stops here. It's time that we know with confidence that every concern is covered.